We're previewing 3 new product demos for Sensors Converge: an omnidirectional magnetometer, a dual threshold advanced magnetic switch, and a wafer-level chip-scale magnetic switch. First, we have the omnidirectional magnetometer, with LEDs to show the output. It's sensitive in plane, cross-axis in plane, perpendicular plane, and either magnetic polarity. So it's omnipolar, omnidirectional, and omniapplicational. Next, we have a dual threshold switch that uses omnidirectional technology to avoid double switching artifacts. We were going to use real eggs to show these sensors make egg-cellent limit switches, but these LED eggs are more practical for a show. We added a push-button switch, so the egg lights up when something hits it. A yellow LED indicates the first operate point. The red LED is for the second threshold, and the egg indicates over travel. A proportional valve slows the cylinder at the first threshold, then stops it at the second threshold. Omnidirectional technology ensures precise switch points. If we disable the first threshold, the cylinder stops at the second threshold but doesn't slow down, so it overshoots and hits the egg. If we switch it back, it slows down at the first threshold and there's no overshoot. Finally, we have a new wafer-level chip-scale precision magnetic switch. These tiny sensors are ideal for tiny mechanisms. They can easily detect an ultra-miniature 1 mm diameter magnet. The sensor detects the end of travel. The motor reverses when the sensor is activated. The green Arduino LED shows when the sensor is on. Scan the QR code for details of our Sensors Converge booth and for free registration.